I'm trying to make sure you don't have any weapons on you.
I don't have no.
What'd you say your name was, sir? Will?
This crack pipe.
That's a bubble,
That
man.
is a meth pipe.
That's a bubble.
Makes it, yeah. Come on, man.
I ain't trying to call you for that.
On March 26, 2022, at approximately 4:45 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a call from a man who stated he has been followed for the last year and needed help. The officers arrived on scene, conducted a pat-down search for weapons, and found a pipe that is commonly used for smoking methamphetamine. After talking to the man for a short period of time, they decided the best course of action would be to take him to a local hospital for treatment, and his pipe or bubble was taken to the property room and destroyed. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hey man, did you call us out here? Can you get your hands out where I can see them? Did you give us a call? Hey, can you talk to me?
Yes.
What are you saying? I can't hear you. What? You been drinking tonight? You want to come down here and talk to us?
Good morning.
Hey man, what's going on right now? Did you call us earlier?
Yes.
What's been going on tonight? Why'd you call us out here?
Yeah, 40 for the proper room out of this place. Yeah.
Can you talk to me, please?
Are you gonna come down?
You gotta speak up a little bit.
Going down this way? Alright.
What's your name? What is it? Is that short for William?
Willie Walker.
Will? I'm confused and cold too.
We're trying to understand why you called us out here. Don't take a seat right there and talk to us for a minute. You cool if I pat you down real quick, make sure you don't have any weapons on you? No? Or like yes or no?
You can pat you down? Yeah. What's your, do you know your birthday?
I'm gonna go and put that down for me real quick so I don't drop
Just
it.
take all your stuff, put it there, man. Anything you got in your
I'll put
hand,
your
just drop it right here.
Yeah, go and just drop it on your coat.
Sweet.
Put your chain behind your back real quick. Interlace your fingers for me.
Yeah.
Can you interlace them? Let's put them together like you're praying.
Mr. Walker, what's your social security number?
428-39-1861. I called y'all because I be scared in church. Somebody gonna be trying to follow me.
You have insurance? Is that what you're saying?
Church? Somebody's following you?
Oh, that's my brother.
Who? Who's
You cool
following?
if I go in your pockets, alright?
I ain't got it.
I'm trying to make sure you don't have any weapons on you.
I don't have no.
What'd you say your name was, sir? Will?
This crack pipe.
That's a bubble,
That
man.
is a meth pipe.
That's a bubble.
Makes it, yeah. Come on, man.
I ain't trying to call you for that.
Is this why you're acting like that?
No.
When was the last time you smoked?
You on meth tonight?
Do you have any meth? Do you have any meth on you right now?
No, nothing on me.
Okay.
Nothing,
Go cuff him. Glove up.
Oh, damn, man. I go to jail.
Well, you're gonna get placed in handcuffs.
We don't know if you're going to jail yet.
Yeah.
I just got to make sure I get some gloves on before.
Code 1 officer.
Can you put interlace your fingers again for me? Put your hand together. Thank you.
Alright, now smart. What are we gonna do now?
I don't know if I feel I need a charger for the pipe. I don't know if I feel I need a charger for the pipe. Just taking.
Do you want to charge him for the pipe?
No, just take for destruction.
No, I'm getting charged for some shit.
Well, it is illegal to have
A
a bubble on you, man. That is illegal.
Okay.
It's called drug paraphernalia.
I know that.
That's why you got placed in handcuffs.
Stop swaying from me. Just stand still.
Just fucking on.
Why did you call us?
Why I called you? Because you just died in church from getting killed.
Because why?
Stop
I can't
moving.
understand you.
We're trying to understand what you're actually
None
saying.
of us can understand what you're saying.
I just got in church. Motherfucker going out here trying to kill me. That's why.
Who's trying to kill you?
Someone following you? Someone trying to kill. What's going on?
It's been past fucking year.
A year someone's been following you. Who's been following you?
Some niggas.
So you don't know who's been following you? Do you think it might just be in your head?
How can we help you? You have 3 officers here. How can we help you?
Because she's on listen, pay attention. What's real
You
about
want to go
my
to a
life.
hospital and talk to somebody, talk to a doctor?
About my fucking life. It's not about me doing fucking
I'm
drugs.
asking about how we can help you. I don't give a shit if you're doing
I
drugs.
can do drugs.
I don't give a shit if you do drugs.
Listen,
Listen, if you don't want me to help you, I'll leave.
I can have a good conversation when I'm hot or not.
I don't-
I don't, no, yeah, and it's good, but like what I say, if you just listen, let me tell you something.
Go ahead.
This is what I'm trying to say.
Yes,
Real
yes.
talk. And I ain't got to lie about nothing.
Yeah.
I ain't got to bullshit about shit. Or I'm not going to be in no drug.
Yeah.
Because I try to go get a lot of work. People tell you the same goddamn thing.
Yep, feel you, man.
No, you know,
Give me some more.
Fucking thing. It's like,
No, man, I'm telling you. You got to flip that biscuit before you
it's
put
not
butter
about
on it. You know what I'm saying?
Business. It's about
I'm
paying
telling you.
attention, understand.
Yeah.
I don't get twigged out, homie.
Yeah?
I don't.
Okay. I
I'm just saying.
100%
I'm just
believe
saying my deal. This is on my dead grandma and my dead mom.
So what do you need from us, my man?
You got to get the fuck
Okay.
away from me, man. Yo,
Okay.
I'm just saying, yes, I'm gonna need help, and yes, I'm an addict, and yes,
You are? Okay.
And like I said,
And what are you doing
but
to
like I
better
said,
your
I don't
situation?
get fucking twagged up.
You're an addict and you need help, right? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
I do need
Do you
help.
want us to take you to a hospital to get help?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you want?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Fuck with it.
Uh-huh.
So if I'm not, I can try to do the pipe too. If you want to go to the hospital, is that what you said? Okay.
My dude,
We're trying to
that's-
get you some help.
That's one thing you don't understand.
Tell
And
me.
That's one
Make
thing.
me understand
'Cause you see a lot of motherfuckers do
I do.
act out and all that. But this right here, when I tell you about my life, when I tell you my dead mama, I don't play that shit.
Okay.
And when I step off that fucking goddamn fucking church and around my damn butt, someone can kill me. Nigga, I don't play that shit.
Okay. So we're
And I
going to
got
take you to the
mine.
hospital, Willie.
Yes.
All right?
And don't play with me about drugs or that. I pay attention, understand. Don't play with me. Like
Yes.
I don't do that, sir.
I
I'm telling you
copy.
correct, and I'm
Loud
telling
and
you
clear.
everything about correct. But I'm not tracked out, homie.
I feel you, man.
You got
I
it,
stay
Will.
open. I'm
We're taking you to the hospital, okay?
Stay open, stay woke. All right.